brain is not built to make money. It's built to protect you. And that's exactly why you keep losing and thinking fast and slow. Daniel Kahneman explains something most traders never understand. Your brain has two systems. One is fast, emotional, reactive. The other is slow, logical, calculated. Now here's the problem. Trading happens too fast, so you don't trade with logic. You trade with fear. You see a clean setup, everything aligns, but your heart starts beating faster. Your brain whispers, what if this one loses? That's not analysis. That's system one hijacking you. And it gets worse. There's something called loss aversion. It means losing $1,000 hurts almost twice as much as gaining $1,000 feels good. So what do? You cut winners early and hold losers like an idiot. Yeah, I said it, because that's exactly what you've been doing. Watching your profit, closing it early like you're scared to breathe. But when you're in loss, suddenly you become patient. That's not discipline. That's psychological weakness. Read The Psychology of Money. It clearly says success with money isn't about intelligence. It's about behavior. You don't lose because you don't know enough. You lose because you don't control yourself. Nobody talks about this part. The nights you sit alone, staring at charts, replaying the same mistake again and again. The regret, the anger, the feeling that maybe you're just not built for this. Let me tell you something harsh. Most people are not built for trading because trading exposes you. Every weakness, every insecurity, every lack of discipline, it all shows up in your P&L, in atomic habits. There's a line most people ignore. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. That means under pressure, you don't become a disciplined trader. You fall back to your habits. So if your habit is fear, you'll hesitate. If your habit is greed, you'll overtrade. If your habit is impatience, you'll destroy your own setup. This game is not charts. This game is not indicators. This game is you versus your own brain. You want to win? Then stop acting like this is motivation. This is war against your impulses, against your emotions, against the version of you that wants comfort over growth. Because the trader who wins isn't the smartest, isn't the fastest. He's the one who can sit there, feel everything, fear, doubt, pressure, and still execute like a machine. Most of you will feel this and still go back to your old habits. That's why you stay average. But if you're actually serious about fixing yourself, stay here. This is where traders rebuild and subscribe or go back to losing like everyone else.